What's going on, guys? Here in my hand I have the Oukitel C19 and I'm giving this phone away to you guys. Now this isn't gonna be any regular giveaway. First off, there are two ways to enter. The first way is writing a comment on this video about how you have a really crappy phone and how you need an upgrade bad. Even though this isn't like the fastest phone, the point is this is supposed to go to somebody who has an even worse phone, like a phone that's 10 times worse than this phone. The second way to enter is joining my Discord server and posting a picture of your phone or video with a short description about how shitty it is. If you do that, your chances of winning skyrocket, because I'm actually gonna be able to see how your current phone looks like and to see who has the worst phone and who needs it the most. Because I'm not gonna select just anybody, alright? I want somebody who's been following my channel for a while, you know, a fan, and someone who actually needs it. So these are the rules. If you didn't understand me, I'm gonna write them in the description as well. And good luck to all of you.